Let Asset Drone help with your job site before, during, and after the construction process. Our interactive 3D models can be viewed, manipulated, and shared from an easy-to-use web interface. We start with hundreds or thousands of photos and use special software to stitch these photos together and build a 3D model that can be turned, zoomed, and rotated in 360 degrees. Improve owner satisfaction. Create impressive 3D models that site owners can use to market the property. In addition to our interactive 3D models, Asset Drone can also help with site progress photos, topographic maps, and inspections. We can do pre-turnover inspections, giving your subs time to proactively solve issues. Our drones are especially useful in areas that are typically difficult or dangerous to inspect, such as elevated areas. Contact Asset Drone today.